Okay, there was a question asked about this particular will it overflow question. And the new question is, we already know that it won't overflow. From the video we just did, it will not overflow. But the new question is, how high, or how high from the top, or how high is the height of the water once you add the new liquid? What's the new height? So we've already done a question like this before, but I'll write it down. So we know that the volume equals the area of the base multiplied by the height of the prism. We know that the volume of water in that particular aquarium after the cup is added is now 14,700. So that volume has to equal the length times the width, which is 25 times 20, multiplied by the height. Now when I work this out, I get 14,700 equals 500 multiplied by h. And I could either write 500 multiplied by h like that, or I could write 500 multiplied by h like that. And when I write it 500h, I know that it's really a coefficient, which means it helps me kind of think about it algebraically, which means if I'm going to solve for the height that I don't know, I can divide both sides by that 500 coefficient, and I get h equals 14,700 divided by 500 equals 29.4. And if I go back up there, therefore the height of the water is 29.4 centimeters. And that makes sense because the full height is 30 centimeters. And it's almost overflowing because we said the full was 15,000, it's 14,700. So my answer makes sense. It seems reasonable to assume that it's pretty close to the top, and 29.4 centimeters from a 30 centimeter tank makes sense.